Apple TV Plus just turned the sky over Hollywood into a battleground of monsters and shattered a world record in the process. To celebrate the upcoming second season of Monarch Legacy of Monsters, a massive drone show was staged above Hollywood Forever Cemetery on February 20, 2026, featuring 3,000 drones flying in coordinated formation to create giant aerial figures of Godzilla, Kong, and a new Titan known as Titan X. The 12-minute show, set to an original score, filled the night sky and was visible from miles away, with the formation stretching nearly 500 feet high, tall enough to eclipse the Statue of Liberty. In addition to the massive 3D character shapes, pyro drones simulated effects like Godzilla's iconic atomic breath, blending visual spectacle with cutting-edge drone choreography. This achievement was certified as the Guinness World Record's tallest aerial display of a fictional character formed by drones, and the event drew stars from the series including Kurt Russell and Wyatt Russell. The stunt was designed as a promotional celebration for Monarch Legacy of Monsters Season 2, which premieres on Apple TV Plus on February 27, 2026. While drone light shows are increasingly common, this one pushed size, scale, and storytelling to new heights, merging pop culture, technology, and monumental aerial art in a way that captivated audiences globally.